Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Hidden Project. Friends, if you watch Mr. Robot series and you want to install all that tools used in that series, then you are right place. Here I'm gonna install all tools used in Mr. Robot series. So that called fsociety tool. You have to search fsociety on your browser, especially for github. You will find this page. So menus are information gathering, like these menus are like our college menus. So you will find these tools. So let's see how to install. So first copy the URL, or you can download the zip file and extract it. Go terminal, go where you want, like a desktop or home or any place. So here I am go to directory tools and git. Okay, so type command git clone and paste that URL. So I paste that URL. So it cloning fsociety. Okay, done. Let's check whether it is. So yes, fsociety is there. Let's go for fsociety. So we are in fsociety. ls check. Okay, install.sh. So we have to go for install.sh. So let's go for install.sh. So let's give a permission. I think we don't need a permission, but okay, let's give it. So type command dot slash install dot sh, run it. Okay, it asks me password. Okay, it installing nearly 37 MB of archives. Okay, it will take a time. So I'm gonna pause the video for a few time until it is. So nearly 77% completed. So friends, you can install it for Windows also, or even you are using Kali Linux or any other Linux platform on your smartphone using Termux, then also you can install it using Termux. You can see here, then they provide us. Okay, where is. So here you can find for Termux, Windows, Linux. Okay, 96% is done. 97. Okay, it will take a time. So unpacking your files. So we install fsociety. So now whenever you want to run fsociety, just type fsociety. Okay, so here you have to agree terms and condition. Yes, keep in mind you can type fsociety from anywhere, not in that particular folder where you install fsociety. You can you can run it from your home or any other folders. So here you can see your options: information gathering, password attack, wireless testing, exploit, sniping, web hacking, and lots of there. So let's type one for first one. Here also you can see that WPS scan, in map, so lot of there. So to go back 99, to exit 99. Thank you friends for watching this video.